Yeah, you know, sex is really different for guys than it is for girls, you know? I think somebody said, it was Dr. Ruth said, men use love to get sex, and women use sex to get love, you know? I think that's pretty accurate.
Yeah, I heard that. Hey, boo, what's up?
We got your message, so we came down to pick you up.
My boo.
Hi.
Yeah, you be quiet.
Is this your friend Steve?
Hi.
Sarah,
Nice to meet
my
you.
baby. It's my baby.
Let's go dance.